Okay, now here they ask to find value of ACD, this angle. This angle we need to find, this one, right? Okay, I will mark this one you need to find, right? Now how to do this? When we start this, we can use two ways, two method to get this type of interior angle. This, now they tell, no, this is three side of a regular hexagon, right? This is a regular hexagon, so we can find this one interior angle using two method. But the first thing, now when you have like this way hexagon, right? Okay, I will draw it roughly like this way. We know this all interior angle, total of the interior angle using this formula. What the you have learned this 180 n minus 2. Using this you can get the total of this all angle together, right? This plus this plus this plus, like that, all six angle. When you add together, what the value you can get with this formula? What the 180 in mean number of side here, 1 2 3, like this, six side, no, it's a hexagon, no, so 6 minus 2, so 4, 180 into 4, like this way. 6 minus 2, 4, 4 into 180, so it will be 704 into 1, 4, here 4 times 8 is 32, no, so 2, yeah, here 720. This all angle together, interior angle, all interior angle together, it will be 720. Then 720, if you divide by 6, you can get one angle of one interior angle. This one interior angle is how much? No, so here will be how many 6 are there? And 7, 1 and 1 remain here. Okay, 120. Like this way you can get this one angle. That's one method. You can get another way. The exterior angle, not the interior angle. Like this way, exterior angle, this angle. If I extend like this side, this one, this exterior angle also we can find quickly. But we know any polygon, doesn't matter. To remind you this whole theorem, I'm telling these things. This in exterior angle altogether 360. Doesn't matter what the polygon, hexagon, octagon, like that. All exterior angle total is 360. So 360, if you divide by here say hexagon, no, 6. So number of side. This is a regular hexagon, right? So we can divide by 6 because all exterior angle also equal. That's why we can do. If it is not a regular hexagon, you can't do this way, right? This is a regular hexagon, no? So that's why we know exterior angle altogether 360 and all exterior angle equal. So exterior angle altogether 360, no, 360 divided by 6. Then you can find what the exterior angle size. That means this angle size. This way exterior angle size. Then you can get this one because this is a angle on a straight line. You can use that also. I will tell you roughly this idea. Now here 60, then you can get this is 120. Like that, somehow using this method or this method, you need to get somehow this exterior angle size here, right? 120. Here will be 120. Okay, then after we know this is a regular hexagon, no, so that's why this side equal to this side, right? Even this side is these all sides are equal, no. So if these two equal, then we know opposite angle also equal. Now this is isosceles triangle, like that. So this, what are the two sides equal, opposite angle of that two sides also equal. Now this one opposite angle is this one, this side opposite angle is this one. That means these two equal. So if I put here x, here also x, using this formula, this way you can find what the 120 plus x plus x. This is a interior angle of a triangle, no? This one plus this one plus this one, interior angle of a triangle. What the triangle ABC? This triangle interior angle. So you can write 120 plus x equal 180, because we know in an interior angle of a triangle add up to 180. So here 2x, x plus x 2x, 120 into here. So 180 minus 120. So here will be what the 60. 2x. So both side divide by 2, then you can get x is how much. So here will be x equal 30. x equal 30, right? 60 divided by 2, 30. So that means this angle is 30. This angle is 30, right? This will be 30. Okay, I will replace now x with 30 like this way, right? Now we know again this is 120. Not only that, this one also 120, right? This also 120. This complete this angle, this both together 120. So from 120, if you subtract this angle size, you can get this, right? What the angle they ask? They ask ACD angle, no? ACD angle, no? So we can write like this way even. What the 30 plus ACD, because they ask that way, no? So I will write that angle ACD angle equal 120, because this is the interior angle of this hexagon. This one, this plus this, BCA in other case this angle, and ACD this angle. All together this is the interior angle of this hexagon. So that's why you can write 30 plus this angle should be 120. Then directly we can get our final answer. ACD 120, 30 bring to here, so minus 30, right? Minus 30. So ACD will be 120 minus 30 mean 90 degrees, right? ACD equal 90 degrees. But yeah, here not look like that, but that's why they tell diagram is not to scale.